The following is the MDVR8204SH and I button connection wiring diagram. First we will connect the I button's red line to our MDVR8204SH out _IO3. Then the I button's black wire is connected to the GND of 8204SH. We will then connect the buzzer's red line to sensor _out 1, then connect the black wire to the GND of 8204SH. Connect the 86 corner of the relay to sensor _out 2, then connect the 87A and 30 of the relay to the engine line. Next, the ignition line of the vehicle. Connect 85 to GND, so that when the card reader successfully swipes the card, sensor _out 2 outputs a low level, so that the vehicle ignition and the engine are fired up and will work. Then the wiring connection is completed. Let us now configure the server to support driver card synchronization. First, open the server installation directory. Find the bin in the installation directory, then look for the plugin. Then click MDVR, then look for this file in the bin directory. Move your cursor towards the file, then right-click and select Open with Notepad. Add this setting below and click Save. Restart the gateway server and wait for loading. After loading, click the Close button and wait for the completion to set up successfully. Let us now add driver information to bind with the vehicle. Now, let's start adding the driver information. Open the CMSV6 platform, then click Manage, then click Operations and click Driver Info. Click Add on the Driver Info page. First input the driver's name. Select the driver's company. Then input the ID card number. This does not affect the result, but this section cannot be empty. Input mobile phone number. Then select the driver's picture that requires authentication. Input the I button's card number. Then select the driver's license type. For the validity period of driver's license, check for long-term storage. Click Save to create the driver's folder. Then add a vehicle for a driver. Select the vehicle to be bound. After that, the driver is bound to the vehicle, then click Save. Let's now set up card number synchronization. When our device has reported to the platform, the card number is also bound to the vehicle. To set up, first open the menu and enter the password. After entering the menu page, click Tools. Enter the Tools subpage, then select Driver List. Put Enable on and click to save. Finally, cut off the power of the device, and the card number will be synchronized after restarting the device. Let's move on to the device and CMSV6 card number synchronization demo. When the device goes online after restarting, the device will interact with CMSV6 to synchronize the card number of the device. Enter the menu again to view. This is where you can see that the driver card number bound on the platform has been sent to the device. Here is the driver ACC card swiping demo. When the device ACC is shut down, using a multimeter, test the voltage of sensor _out 2. After the device ACC is powered on and the buzzer sounds, the device will make the voltage of sensor _out 2 pulled high. If the relay is connected, the engine line of the relay will be disconnected, and the vehicle cannot be ignited at this time. The buzzer will keep beeping to remind the driver to swipe the card. If the card is not entered into the vehicle's information, the voltage will not change even after the card is swiped, and the buzzer will still sound.
这个时候电压是不会改变，我们的后面线还会继续鸣叫。当刷卡的卡片色改变过的话。
When the card is swiped correctly, the buzzer will stop beeping, the voltage will return to zero, and the relay will be disconnected. At this time, the ignition can be normal. Let's now proceed to the driver card report query. First click Manage, then select Reports, then open Driver RPT. After that, select the second driver punch card detail, then enter this page. Select the time and click Query. This is where you can see a start and end time when the driver swiped the card.